surrounded by a variety of sounds. Sound means vibrations, which travel in the form of waves by giving a push to the surrounding medium. How does this push convert into sound? How do our ears work? How do we hear? If we could look inside our ears, this is the auditory system that we would see on both sides of our head. Pinna or the external ear, ear canal, eardrum, and 3 bones in the middle ear and the cochlea in the internal ear. We are surrounded by sounds, like the sound of this bell. Our 2 external ears, the pinnae. Their job is to collect the sound waves and direct them to the middle ear. Now the waves pass through the ear canal and reach the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates with the energy of the sound wave. What an amazing auditory system! The middle ear has a system of 3 bones. The bone touching the eardrum is called malleus. The one connecting this bone to the third is incus, and the one touching the cochlea is stapes. The sound wave vibrates the eardrum. The bones vibrate too and amplify the energy of the vibrations about 20 times, like an amplifier. Now the nerves in the inner ear carry this sound signal to the brain. The brain interprets the signal and we recognize this sound. Whenever any object moves and vibrates, there is sound. That we cannot hear all sounds is another story. Actually, our hearing capacity is quite good. That is why we can hear everything from the falling of a water drop to the roar of a lion. What if our ears were bigger? Would we hear more? The size does not matter. More the sound waves that go in, the more clearly we hear. Think about what we do when the sound is low. Since our ears are so useful to us, we must take good care of them. Never try to clean your ears using any sharp object. Do not insert anything into the ears without a doctor's advice. We may injure our ears. Protect your ears from loud noises, that is, from noise pollution. It is bad for them. So, remember how we hear. External ear gathers sound and direct them to the middle ear. Middle ear amplifies the sound. Internal ear sends the sound signals to the brain.